Hey there. As you can see, we're at the vehicle lot, and today I'm going to show you what car we recently bought for scrapping. It's a BMW. It was bought for 440 zlotys and has a rather unusual engine under the hood, so it's perfect for scrapping. Follow the topic. It's me, Jan. A small compote hidden in the bushes. With a package, here you go. In the 16-inch room. From what I can see, it's most likely Borbe. Zarechko definitely fits the junkyard formula vibe. Empakiet. Hey, look what's happening. And this is Sinka. I don't know how to say it. Abschnitzer. Here's the view from the other side. Chameleon type paint, of course the best you can get. 3 coats of paint. I wanted to open it, and there was a key. But I don't know if you can see it, but the key for the static broke off there, so the only possible way to get into this car is through the rear hatch. Oh, and everything is measured perfectly. The plan is that I want to start it today. We'll put it on the lift, do a little test drive, and see how this ride actually drives, if it runs, if it's even worth paying attention to or not. But stylistically from the side, honestly, I really like it, though I haven't tried a compat yet. It's already here. We'll see if anything comes of it. All right, I'm going inside. We're here. First, open the hood. Here's a cool little trick. So we've got just the connector itself, and with that we can start the car. I'll go get the battery and we'll try to start it up and get out of here. No. But that's the worst. The hatch closed. And did this guy probably close the side one? All right, then they won't open. It's the same. But help is calling. All right, there's actually one more idea. Maybe it'll work. Open the hatch. Yes. That's too active. Right, I haven't told you yet. Who's sitting under the tarp? It's 1.8. Here you go. 140 horsepower from 4 cylinders. Many ride this machine hard. I haven't had Jess under my boot yet. That's why it's something new. The battery is here. The terminal is disconnected. Thanks. It would be great if it worked. And there was a little spark at the beginning. Well, I don't know. I'm going to get another battery as a backup. Oh. Hello. This will also come in handy for starting the car. Moment of truth. I won't forget. Let's roll. Foreheads. He started so fast. Hilarious. That ride is standing still. Since December, I think. It's September. It started up like a little bee. I'm heading to the party. We put the key away. Oh. Low on gas. Add more. I don't want to brag too much, but it revs up quite nicely. Let's go. Can I go out? No, I still can't go out, even if the car is running. That's not good. The hatch closed again. That's awesome. You can go out. It works. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll pump up their tires, check the oil, and a little test drive.
The end?
Okay. The end? Thanks for watching. The end. No, that was a good idea. All right, we'll make 2 bars. From what I just looked at, I noticed there's a counter here. The latch is broken, and we have a dented fender. Most likely, it's rubbing around here. Anyway, you can see by the sill how much the fender moved back. The question is what caused it. Because actually, when I was driving, apart from the fact that it was pulling, everything seemed to be okay. The control arm might be bent, but we'll know for sure when it's on the lift. Because here it's really hard to see it. How it screws in. The brakes are fine. All right. Single wheel drive. You have to weld the differential since there's no limited slip. Nothing like that. Look, second gear is engaging. All right, let's get it on the lift. Let's see what the car looks like from underneath. I'd like to check the mileage. 262,000. I'm impressed with how this engine performs. The floor is making popping noises. Thanks. At the back, when I put the jack in the spot where you're supposed to lift the car, the whole rocker panels went up together with the jack and the car stayed in place. That's why I'll lift it by the beam mounting bolts and let's go. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, we can already see that the steering rack is leaking. Everything here is protected with heavy-duty rust-proofing. Oh, look here, there you go, a yellow shock absorber. Sporty style. That's why it handled so well. The ride is pretty stiff. Take a look. A person is alone in their happiness. Maintaining the self-stabilizer. It's fine from this side. You can still drive with this. It's only the stabilizer. The cart looks fine from here. I'll check everything with the crowbar in a moment to see if it's not hollow. Support bushings? That's classic. Everything's wet, as you'd expect on a wreck. Look, one of the mounts used to go right here. And here was the second one. Well, there's still something left here, let's say. Oh, and look at that. The drive is just like in a wild boar. The swing arm and the little beam. A well-welded muffler with wire. Gruzek found the formula. It's also cool how spacious it is here. You could even weld this differential without removing it from the car. Oh, an American throws in the back. The immediate plan for this ride is, I think we'll weld the differential in the back, and we'll see how it performs in action. And if there's something you'd like to see with this car, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you soon. High five.